Right guys, welcome back. We're going to move on from what you were learning last week, and we're going to look at mode, median and range. Okay, I've split the board into 3 columns. This one will be mode, middle one will be median, right one will be range. So mode, okay, mode, okay, is most frequent. Okay, so when I say most frequent, that means it's in the list the most amount of times. Okay, so the number that's repeated the most amount of times is the mode. Okay, so we've got 6, 3, 7, 3, 7, 3. So for 6, we've got 1. Okay, we've got one lot of 6. Okay, for 3, there are 3. We've got 6. We've got that 3. There's a 3 there, and there's a 3 there. So we have 3 3s, 7, we have a 7 and a 7. Okay? So the number that appears the most frequent is 3. So our mode would be 3. Okay, let's look at the bottom one. So we've got 18. Cross off as you go along. Do we have any more 18s? No. We've got 73. Do we have any more 73s? No. So we cross them off as we go along. 16. And we have another 16, so we're going to put both of those down. We have an 81 and a 37. What I would do, just cross them off as you're going along, just to make sure that we get them all correct, okay? So our mode is 16, because 16 appears the most in that list. Okay, common mistake to make is that people will put 2 as the mode because 16 appears twice. Okay, there's 2 16s in that list, so they put 2. It's the actual number that's the mode. Okay, so 16 appears twice, which is the most in the list, so mode is 16. Right, median. Okay, so median is the number that is in the middle of that list. Okay, so we've got 7, 8, 11, 7, 2. The first thing we need to do is we need to put these numbers in numerical order from smallest to largest. Okay, so we're going to start, 2 is the smallest, so we're going to write 2 there. Cross them off as you go along. 7, now we have a 7 there and a 7 there, so we have to write them both down. Okay, so we're going to cross that off. 8 is the next one, and then 11 to finish off. We've got 5 numbers there and 5 numbers there. Now what you need to do, okay, is you need to cross them off from both sides until we end up with 1 left in the middle. So I'm going to cross 1 off from the left, and you cross 1 off from the other side as well. I'm going to cross 1 off from the left, I'm going to cross 1 off from the right. You alternate, left, right, left, right, left, right, until you end up with 1 left in the middle. This is the middle number, so our median is 7. Okay? Again, we do exactly the same thing here. So our smallest number is 3. Cross it off. Our next smallest number is 7. Sorry, it's 6. I do apologise. Okay? Cross it off. Then it's 7. Cross it off. 10. Cross it off. 13. Cross it off. And then 16. So we've gone from smallest to largest with the numbers that we were given. Okay, again, we then start crossing off. So we've got 3 and then 16. That's our smallest and our largest number. 6 and 13. Now, we're left with a bit of a problem here because if we cross that one off, we have to cross that one off and we're left with no numbers. If you're left with 2 numbers like this, so we've got 7 and 10 left over, you have to find the middle of those 2 numbers. Okay, so the middle is 8.5. Okay, difference between 7 and 10 is 3. Divided by 2 is 1.5. Add it on to 7, we get 8.5. Okay, so if you're left with 2 numbers in the middle, you find the middle of those 2 numbers. Okay, so our median is 8.5. Okay, right, range. Range is your highest number minus your lowest So the highest number in this list is 38. Okay? The lowest number in this list is 1. We take them away. 38 minus 1 is 37. Okay? So range, highest number, take away the lowest number. Last one then. Highest number. Okay, check all the numbers. 73. Lowest number is 0. So do 73, take 0, is 73. Okay? If you need to go back and look at any of this, feel free to go back, pause it, go back again to make sure that you properly understand any of this, all of this, sorry. If you've got any issues, let me know. Otherwise, enjoy your day, guys.